Friends tini special executive ni bagai video amono final tai video senam jaglak je senamani amono topic 1 ismi 5 jora norok poridi interview rogo aborong bisingono kisemisa topic 1 ismi 5 jora ang je video senamani amoni bisingono interview rogo bo kisa kisa songjangma rok klaijak baikha special executive ni bagai tai video senam jagla amono final bwskango tai bo exam rejaknai tongo interview rok tongo tipra police rokni tai TTAADC ni job rok ni bagai subzonal development officer rok ni bagai aborong bagai question rok sanamjaknai tongo kwbangma special executive ni bagai hingke video tini abono final hanai wan suksidi tai senamriya interview bo paida naikeba jehetu hingke faide tini west tripura district Unakoti district north district Dhalai Khowai Sipahijala abo hairo district rokni tini question kisa basic nailaya sang puila question angkha what is the total area of West Tripura district Pochin Tripura jala mot aiton kota West Tripura district ni total area bosok hingke 983.63 sq km. Next question angkha how many block are there in West Tripura district Pochin Tripura jala koiti block royeche hingke 9ta tongo tamtam hingke Bhamotia Belbari Dukli Hezamara Jirania Lefunga Mandre Mohanpur tai all Agartala. Next question is how many subdivisions are there in West Tripura district Pochin Tripura jala koiti mahkuma royeche hingke West Tripura district o koiti subdivision tong hingke tinta tongo Sodor Mohanpur Jirania. Next question is who is the DM of West district in Tripura Tripura Pochin jala DM ke West Tripura district ni DM ke Dr. Bishal Kumar. Next question is amke tourism ba tourist place rok naijaknai jaga thai rok amarok no kisa mutinarok disungjakang ka saimano tongo puila ek number angka Ojento Palace amto joton saimano second number hongka question sungjakam prai sungjak kya 14 god Chododev ta mondir ni somonde sungjako kwbang mano bufru protista ta ei bo raja snami klang bo amalo bo krista bo abo hairo sungjago abo ke park rok Khumlung Park Heritage Park Rabindra Kano Nehru Park Oxygen Park Albert Eka Park etc abo hairo Thai West Tripura district o kisikmisa naijanai amo haijaga rok kwbangma tongo chikon chikon. Next question kha Sipahijala district Tripura ni bagai how many blocks are there in Sipahijala district Sipahijala koiti block ache hingke answer 7ta tongo ek number angka Bishalgor Charilam Nalchar epre Mohanbog Boksanagar epre Kathalia Jampujala hingke ora tourist place tongo Nirmahal tai Sipahijala wildlife sanctuary abo hai najanai thai tongo tourist place rongke. Next question ka Sipahijala ni no what is the total area of Sipahijala district Sipahijala district bini area bosu tongke 1043.04 sq km. Next question ka who is the DM of Sipahijala district Sipahijala jala DM ke hingke answer Sri Nagesh Kumar BIAS. Next question ka how many subdivisions are there in Sipahijala district gajaga Sipahijala jela koiti mahkuma royeche hingke answer tongo tinti Bishalgor Sonamura Jampujala. Next question ka Unakoti district Tripura what is the total area of Unakoti district Unakoti jela mot aiton koto answer ka 686.97 km Romimano 687. Where is the headquarter of Unakoti district Unakoti jela Sodor Daptar kotha hingke Kailasahar. Next question how many subdivisions are there in Unakoti district Unakoti district o subdivision koita tongke 2ta tongo kaisa hingke Kailasahar tei kaisa hingke Kumarghat. How many blocks are there in Unakoti district Unakoti district o koita block tong hingke 4ta tongo ek number hingke Sondipur epre Gornagar epre ke Kumarghat Pejatha. Next question ka who is the DM and collector of Unakoti district Unakoti jala DM o collector ke answer hingke Sri Rajit Datta TCS SSG. What do you mean by Unakoti? Unakoti bolte ki bujo ba why is unukoti called unukoti no tangai ringjak unukoti aba unukoti ni means tamo gangke sungsai mano
Unukoti means angka unukoti means 1 less than a crore mane ekta songkha kom 1 koti kaya abagai ekta songkha kom ni bagai bono unukoti hinui sajago.
Tourist place rongka tam tongka ro naijani jaga ro unukoti district o Khorabil tai unukoti heritage site amato unukoti je o pathar jaga rok naijani tongmani abono oro sijak Khorabil tai unukoti heritage site. Next question ka Khowai district Tripurni. What is the total area Khowai district? Khowai jalai mod item ko tongka answer 1377.28 sq km. Who is the DM and collector of Khowai district? Khowai jalai DM ebong collector ke angka Miss Chandni Chandran IAS. Next question ka how many subdivision are there in Khowai district of Tripura? Tripura Khowai jalai koiti mahukma royeche angke subdivision duita tongo kaisangke Khowai tei kaisangke Teliamora. Next question ka how many blocks are there in Khowai district of Tripura? Tripura Khowai jalai koiti block royeche angke answer 6ta tongo tamta mungke Khowai Mungia Kami Teliamora Tulasikor Padmabil tai Koilanpur. Tourist place tam tong gangke Khowai district o Bormora Eco Park Chakma Ghat Bonavithi Park Jungle Mahal aba hairok naijani thairok tongo kisa. Next question ka North district Tripura ni. Question ka what is the total area of North Tripura district? Uttar Tripura jalai mot elaka ko tongke 1422.19 sq km. Next question who is the DM and collector of North Tripura district? Uttar Tripura jalai DM who collector ke answer Sri Devapriya Bardhan IAS. Next question ka how many blocks are there in North Tripura district? Ata tongo tam tongke Kalachera Laljuri Jubraj Nagar Kadamtola Jampu Hills Panisagar Damchara. North district Tripura. Next question ka how many subdivision are there in North Tripura district? Subdivision koita tong 3ta tong tamta mongke Dharmanagar Kanchanpur Panisagar. Tourist place rok tam tongke tourism ba tourist place rok naijanai thai rok ke Jumpy Hills common of joton semano Jumpy Hills tai Ruwa Wildlife Sanctuary. Next question ka Dhalai district Tripura ni. Question ka what is the total area of Dhalai district Tripura? Dhalai district Tripura ni total area basuk gangke 2312.29 sq km. Next question ka who is the DM of Dhalai district of Tripura? Tripura Dhalai jalai DM ke answer Dr. Siddharth Shiv Jaiswal IAS. How many GP ba BC are there in Dhalai district of Tripura? Gram Panchayat ba village council Dhalai district go basuk tong answer total tongo 151 mane 151 gram panchayat dogo gram panchayat tongo 41 tai village council tongo 110. Next question ka how many blocks are there in Dhalai district of Tripura? Dhalai district block koita tongka 8ta tongo Ambasa Ganganagar Salema Durga Chomani Dumburnagar Rashebari Manu Chamanu. Next question ka how many subdivision are there in Dhalai district of Tripura? Dhalai district go subdivision koita tongke 4ta tongo 1 number ka Ambasa Gondachera Longtrai Valley Kamalpur. Tourist place tam tongka naijani ro Dombur Lake Saika Waterfall Narkel Kunja ke aba hair naijani tonga jagao. Friends otini video asung nongka amana final special executive ni bagite video sanamjaglak Tabu next TT edition ni bagai jara jamarjak bongni bagai 9 March exam nani nai tongo abagai abono preparation sung khalina bagai sung seng lainai engke norok naina bagai ta pukti abo jara jamarjak rok norok preparation nadi porikha engke sandong thani time knowledge painai kaisa kusila common khlainai norok poriya tangni norok preparation kaidi tai ke batini an channel no katal nai tong hangke kep subscribe khai ko ka subscribe khaina di tai bell icon sinata pokti kata video upload khaipro nong thani notification thangsokina bagai